Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone F29 Pro with natural rock texture design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED quad curved display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93.5% screen to body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. And with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.5 by 74.9 by 7.6 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams, and the color options, marble white, granite black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80-watt Super VOOC flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, and with IP66, IP68, IP69 dust tight and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO F29 Pro 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 31,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO F29 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.